Okay, Abuson for Nancy home the trendy a captain polo. For baby, Polo has been arrested, Polo has been jailed, Polo has been sentenced, and Polo has been, a whole lot now information with the Charlie Obia and I think of say and Fatasa and Kayeti a captain polo and Kofobi Castle, why am from so and I'm naso. Now when I jelly a captain polo 90 days, if na yenim say, Yadna got too much say, Ocha, Sa, I am man to now and cry and Sa can say, she has been granted bail. What I say, ya Billy a captain polo now, Obi Bisa say, na ye sentence Obiku prisoner, Otimina bail. But leadership Kakamayani said, "Bill no say the issue is overdue, but yem pese the legal team name pese or better prison one team. Ya granting the bail subsequently no ye every prison one man obey me a coffee. Now Charlie, I know they understand. People too know they understand. Inti I tell you, you are sentencing a life in prison, and I say you are sentencing over 70 years in prison. You bet me akoyi atai. Say umbrella na ya money bill and that's questions people are asking. Say yet me a sentence you be say oh them 3 years. Yes, yeah bail you. Say. So guys, that's what I got for you. Let me know your comments. Let me know your reactions. Say if you say that my scabby that is almost good to your own year can follow there. Let me know in the comments because for me what I know is say assemble our if you send pakona at cells or that cells I need to go bail no. Yes, and yeah, what could we add there? There's some police station. Yeah, there were 2 cells no. Oh, yeah, baby, Luna, you're showing and I say, yes, yeah, further investigation. But for me, I don't know, say, or be a prison as in say a sentence it's me a bill. No, maybe you have any legal idea about this whole issue, but me investigation kakano yeah free prison hall just to release the stress and maybe she is a public figure and on same Fatasa over the prison intina portfolio granting is album so the legal department the legal team no file is appeal no on the 19th of April Monday na on what we file and a court and so chatting so now Polo is free and she can go home. I was for because what for say and I can brand Juma maybe and brand Juma but yana yentiasi like for me what I'm saying is then we should free Atayi. If see a free Polo there then we should free Atayi. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, you like and share. I'm out.